Essentially, what Bob's going to do is cut off this section of the radiator. This is the part that took the longest to actually make. The core he just bought from a shop for about £180. Whilst Bob cracks on with that, we can now put back in the Bugatti washer bottle because all of this carbon has been all fixed and replaced. All these little jobs now are really time consuming. And there is going to be little parts of this Bugatti that we're going to need, like shrouding and plastic covers, and they're going to take a long time to make. But at the minute, I just want to concentrate in getting this car running without any warning lights on the dash. And meanwhile, Bob has cut the tank off the radiator. You can't really see any obvious damage there.
The fins are damaged there because I just cut through the side of it and the saw blade hit the fin.
Oh, that's
Hold up.
And Bob has brought with him an entire new radiator core. So he's just got to weld the tanks off the other one onto this one. Next step, I think we can do, we're just doing all these little tiny bits, which are very time consuming. This fuse board here took a beating in the accident, and I managed to find that they were off a Lamborghini Gallardo. This is a Lamborghini Gallardo fuse board. I'm going to switch this out onto there. Let's start switching them over. Luckily, most of the parts that have been broken on this Bugatti have been interchangeable with other parts on other cars. Just like this Gallardo fuse box. The only thing that isn't interchangeable was the cover that goes over the top. The Gallardo doesn't have one, but the Bugatti did. So that's something that we're going to have to make. But for now, the fuses are in and Bob's ready to weld on the tanks onto the core of the radiator. He lines them all up, tack welds them onto each corner, and then the proper TIG welding can begin. Remember, all of this is aluminium, and it takes a very precise welding, which is really hard to get right, which is exactly why I've got Bob to do it. Once he's done that, he's got to cut the tabs off the old radiator core, because these have got to go on the new one because these support the fans. And that is one radiator pretty much complete.